Hi everyone, welcome to the live talk. We're going to open up a Boxycharm box today. Thank you for dialing in. Give me a thumbs up if you're here.
It's not live.
Say hello to you. Oh, it's not live? Okay, well give me a thumbs up when you see this later and we'll recognize you.
Alright, we're going to unbox our Boxycharm box.
You cut that out at the beginning. You're just going to leave me on there.
Oh yeah, that was funny. Yep, yes ma'am. This is the November box.
Let me see what you got in there.
Oh yeah, sneaky peeky.
Ooh. Oh, you're blocking my face.
Oh man, so sorry. They didn't put a card thingy in here this month with all. Oh yeah, they did. It's right here. Let's see what it entails. Alright. Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette Symphony. This right here retails for $32. That's more than the price of the box itself. Oh, I love Ofra Cosmetics.
Is that blush or eyeshadow?
It is eyeshadow.
Oh, I need some. Let me see that. I need some of that.
No. I always keep my eyeshadow palettes. So, you already know that's a keep. Let's see.
So, nobody's getting the eyeshadow, not even the mother.
I told her to get her own box. She don't listen. Alright, this is Natasha Denona. And this is a cheek duo. $42. Ooh, that's like cream. This is like a cream blush.
What do you do with that?
You put it on your cheeks.
Put it on your cheeks.
Natasha Denona.
Make it rosy.
$42. So we already got the price of the box back. Times 2. Let's see. The Lawless Beauty, the One and Done Long Wear Volumizing Mascara, and this retails for $25.
Oh, I need that. My mascara's about up.
I might let you have this.
Everybody hear that?
I might, because I do have a lot of mascara upstairs.
I need some more too.
Oh, let me
And
see
some
that.
more.
Oh my god. Ma'am,
I do. Bobby told me. to
I'm
ask
not
you
giving
anyway.
you a $25 mascara
Bobby
unless
told
you're
me-
putting a roof over my head.
Bobby told me I can ask you, and you said that you have a lot.
I do.
See this?
Alright, Tarte Juicy Lip Balm.
Ooh, I need some juicy lips too. Let's see this.
And it's
I'm just here for the extras.
in the shade Orchid. What the heck?
Put it on.
Oh, you pump it.
It pumps your lips up too.
Was it?
I don't know. Well, she's not giving that away because it's already been put on her lips.
It's tinted.
It's lip balm. I
Yeah.
like tinted lip balm. That's what I wear most every day.
Yeah. That's nice. That's nice. Well, I already put that on, so obviously I gotta keep that now.
Okay.
Especially because I just had a cold sore.
Oh,
Alright.
I don't think you need to announce that. Can you cut that part out?
No, they know. It's okay. I had a sore on my lip when I did a collab. Alright, this is a cream bronzer. I don't really like cream bronzers. Not really my fan. Yeah, not really a fan of cream bronzers. So
What's a cream bronzer?
A bronzer.
a bronzer that's cream, but I don't.
What's a bronzer?
It goes.
It's
With,
how you contour.
Oh, I don't need that. I don't make a mess with
it makes
that.
your. It makes your.
Yeah,
It
I'll
makes your face look slimmer.
All right, so I'm gonna put this.
Slimmer. Make my face look slimmer.
I'm gonna put this in the giveaway
I
bin.
need some.
I gave her the mascara, and I'm keeping these 3 products. So, that is our Boxycharm unboxing featuring this festive woman over here.
You have to give her a shout out.
Huh?
So give her a shout out.
How am I going to give her a shout out if she doesn't have any socials?
Something other than a festive woman. I have no socials. You cannot find me anywhere. This is the only place you'll ever see me.
This is my mother.
Younger sister.
Older sister. By 20 years. Alright, that is our November Boxycharm unboxing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And give us a thumbs up. Show me a thumbs up, Mother.
Thumbs up.
Tell them to leave you a comment down below.
Leave me a comment.
Leave a comment down below saying hi, Mom. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.